The UK Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office is incredibly proud of the investment that we've made in ReBUILD for Resilience over the last 6 years. ReBUILD has been critical in developing, implementing and finding the evidence as to what works to increase resilience within these settings. The evidence that they've generated from Nepal, Myanmar, Sierra Leone and Lebanon, along with other settings, will be critical to inform our programming and actions in the year to come.
The ReBUILD for Resilience project has made profound impact in Sierra Leone, where we worked in 2 districts, Moyamba and Kailaun districts. We worked with community members where we tried to support them in taking ownership of their health. Community members described improved antenatal care, trust, and improved health-seeking behavior. So bylaws were developed and enforced in Moyamba, and also a lot of women were seen to use the antenatal health services in Kailaun.
So at ReBUILD, we were also interested in exploring how the current global challenges, such as the massive aid cuts, are affecting health systems in fragile settings, and how important actors that are often understudied, like diaspora, are supporting these health systems.
So ReBUILD, 6 years of research, and we have produced a huge body of evidence, which we've translated into papers, podcasts, policy briefs, toolkits, videos. We've helped strengthen the resilience of health systems to be able to deliver services to people who are in such need of healthcare services.